Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you the YouTube TV tips and tricks, the settings you need to know. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV, and then from here, the first thing that I'm going to show you is we need to navigate here first. On the top right of our screen, click on your profile, and then from here, click on settings. And then from here, what we need to do is click on Live Guide right here. Click on that on the left side of your screen. And then from here, we can rearrange our priority channels right here. This is very important, especially if you want to see the channels, your favorite channels right here, and not some other channels right here in your recommendations, or it would pop up in your screen. So this would be a great way for you to prevent that. So from here, you have all your channels right here. So all you have to do to make your channel right here favorites. So for example, you must watch ESPN right here. This cannot go missing in your recommendation. So you can click on this button right here. And then from here, it would go into the top channels. Or otherwise, if you absolutely don't want to see a channel, for example, ESPNU, then you can click on this hide button. And then as you can see, it will be grayed out. It will be hide from your custom view. And then from here on your tab channels, you can also rearrange them in order on which one you would like to see first. So for example, you would like to see first ESPN, and then next is Disney Junior, and then 13. And then it would show up just like this. So now that you have customized your live guide, now you can go back into YouTube TV, and then from here we can go into the live section. Click on the live section, and from here you want to make sure that your sort option right here is set into custom. In this way, you would be seeing it as exactly in your live guide settings right here. As you can see, I have my ESPN, Disney Junior, then 13 as my first three channels right here, exactly as my settings before that we have set. Alright, so now let's move on to the next one. So the next one is basically requesting your favorite network right here on YouTube TV. So all you have to do is go into support.google.com/youtubetv/contact/new_network_request. And then once you are here, you can go and provide your channels right here and some other details about it and click on submit once you are done, and it would help YouTube TV know that you would want this channel, and then they might take you up on that. So this would be very essential to some people right here. So this would be a neat tip or trick. And the next one is going into your ad center. So my ad center.google.com is where you would want to go right here. And once you are here, all you have to do is you can turn off your personalized ads right here by clicking on this button, on the on button right here. And then from here, you can click on turn off. That's basically it. Thank you for watching.